days of Leeds Southampton many years ago. Great Leeds United side who just kept the ball
Mental.
for about 5 minutes.
To have you again there with Deegan. This is Calvert-Lewin. That's Barrett.
Whose toy is that?
And fired just wide. It may have hit the outside of the post there from Billy Sharp.
Can I just tell you how difficult it is to do that when it's coming out like that and there's nothing on it, look, he just goes on and hits it first time. Doesn't hit the post, but so difficult to pull that sort of a shot off.